Hey everyone, okay. Let me cover that. So it's here. It's arrived today. Let's open it. Now this will be a 30-day trial and I will speak about this in a moment. Here it is, Lyma Skincare. So I've got to break this. It's even got a security seal on it and it should do for the price. Let me break this. Seal broken. Let's have a look what's in this parcel. And here it is. This is what it looks like. This is a two-step skincare system. A serum twice a day and a moisturizer twice a day. There we go. Oh God, wait until I tell you the price of this. Okay, so I wanted to try this out and I will take some stills in a moment and we'll report back in 30 days. This is a 30-day system designed to revolutionize your skincare. According to Lyma, there is, I don't know if I'm saying that right, Lyma. According to them, there is no skincare in existence like this. And the before and after pictures are more than impressive. Let me show you. You can see that it is just incredible what they've achieved with this before and after photo. However, I will say one thing, and then I'm going to apply this. My skin is clean and we'll start the trial. The one thing I will say is, and that I'm slightly disappointed about, so if you have a quick look at this photo, the before and after, it actually states underneath 30 days. Now, I reached out to them and asked them about this photo. I actually asked if the subject had used any other interventions and if the subject was smiling, because when we smile, it creases, and when we stop, they tend to relax. They did confirm that the subject was not smiling whatsoever. So there is none of that going on here. So it's an extraordinary. However, they did state that that before and after picture was taken after 90 days, not 30 days. It's a little naughty because that picture, it states 30 days. Now, if you read the rest, yes, there is some form of, maybe there's a little bit more reading one should have done, but it does say 30 days. I've even got a booklet here. Let's have a look what's in here. Telling me how to use it. Start with double cleanse skin, already done. 3 pumps of the serum between your fingertips. So let's take some stills first. The reason I wanted to try this, and I'm going to tell you the price now, is that before and after picture was so outrageously different that I wanted to see if it would have any effect on my skin, particularly the eye area, which is the part of my skin that I really struggle with in terms of the lack of elasticity there and the lines and all those kind of things. Now, you can buy this as a one-time purchase, which is what I did, or you can purchase it as a subscription. A one-off purchase for 1 month is £500. On a subscription, it's £400 a month. So, like I said, if I'd known that was 90 days, I may have rethought this process because I would like to get the full benefit from this system and do a true review that is honest and accurate. So if you're watching Lyma, if you want to send me another 2 months, I will do a 90-day trial. I doubt they're going to send me it, but I'm putting it out there because I can't afford to do another 2 months. But if I'd known, it would have altered the way that I viewed this because I do want to get a true representation of what this can do. The company recommends you stop all other skincare and just use this. 3 pumps of the serum onto the fingertips, massaged in. Let's have a look. Rub 3 pumps of the Lyma serum between your fingertips and then massage onto your skin using circular motions to ensure coverage across the face and neck. So let's give it a go. Let's see what this elixir looks like. Let's get some pumps going. 2, 3. So it's bright yellow. Massage between fingertips. It's cold. and rub in all over the skin. I'm not going to do my neck because I don't care about my neck. I know. So it has a slight herbally medicinal smell to it. So it says to massage it into the skin. Once fully absorbed, follow with 3 pumps of the Lyma cream, massage gently into the base. Some skin types may notice a white film forming. This is completely normal and a sign that the formula is working. So the serum, I'm going to make sure I get every single drop of this stuff on my skin. I really am. Oh, this was so expensive. So next to the cream. Okay, here we go. 3 pumps of the cream. Let's have a look what it looks like. Can we see that? Can you? It's trying to focus on me. Come on. Yeah, of course they're not going to send me it. I can't even film a video properly, honest to God. I'll do it in the palm of my hands just for this one. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 3 pumps of this elixir. Okay. Massage it into the skin. Oh. And that's what we're doing. I feel rejuvenated already. I feel like a child. Quick have a look. Massage into the skin. The miracle minute. Leave the formula to penetrate onto the skin for 1 full minute. So we'll massage this in. And now I'm going to leave for a minute. So, minute is up. And now it says to massage any remaining Lyma cream into the skin using gentle circular motions. Consistency is key. Repeat these 2 steps every morning and evening and watch your skin come to life. So I'm just going to rub any remaining cream into my skin. Today is day 1. Let's see where this takes us. So all I can say right this particular moment is that the products do not feel heavy or tacky on my skin. I do not like skincare on my face during the day. I'm very oily. Thankfully, these don't feel heavy at all. So I will see you back in a month and let's see where this takes us. Here we go. See you soon. Bye-bye.